Hi everyone, welcome back to bus content. Right now, we're gonna put down, I forget what it's called, tile something, but it's so you can tile a table like this. We're gonna put that all down here. My dad garbage picked it, and then I'm adding a little like shelf kind of cupboard for storage up here. And then we will be trimming out all of these windows.
It's just a meme, like it's a joke.
Is it real?
It's a real crypto stock, yeah, but it was just like a made up, like some guy just made it up as a joke, and then people are like buying into it because it like messes with the stock system, you know.
Oh,
like,
so it's kind of like the same thing that those kids did with
GameStop. Yep.
I'm telling you, I think it does get darker.
Not that quick. It's not even.
I think it'll work. I think if you let it dry.
Yeah, but this one looks good.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah. This one?
That big one, yeah.
What if I already did it?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, okay. Screw it all.
Don't try and trick me. I can't fall. I won't fall for it either, though.
Fall for what?
You're trying to pretend to mess up. See if I'll yell at you?
Just so I can say you yelled at me.
Yeah, what? So you can say I'm never helping again, you yelled at me? I'm exposing you to all my subscribers. That's all on video.
Why do you have to threaten me to stop?
I'm filming you so everyone can say you're doing a good job. What is happening? Ernie, are you high? So I'm high.
Hi.
I don't even think I've talked to the camera yet.
Aren't you painting this?
No. You were... Before we get any further into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to our sponsor, Fetch Rewards. So if you guys don't know what Fetch Rewards is, it's a super easy to use free app where you earn free rewards on literally anything you buy. Here I'm scanning my Home Depot receipt, but you can scan any receipt or e-receipt and you will earn points no matter where you shop or what you buy. You then redeem those points for hundreds of rewards, including Amazon and Visa gift cards. Fetch is a totally free app and it's so easy to use. As soon as I get out of Home Depot, I just take out my receipt and scan it, redeem points, and then there's also reward options. Points turn into gift cards, like straight up Visa gift cards, which are my favorite because you can use them anywhere. You can get Amazon gift cards and Starbucks, which is also one of my favorites. And earn these points from anywhere, any and all retail stores, all Amazon purchases, e-receipts, restaurants. So check the link in the description and download the app now and use the code Laini to get 4,000 points when you scan your first receipt. This is a limited time offer for my viewers, so make sure to check it out immediately. This is totally free, so there's absolutely no losing to checking this app out. Honestly, all you're going to be doing is saving money and gaining gift cards. It's so cool. I was so excited to work with Fetch Rewards and be able to share this with you guys. Okay, you guys, seriously, don't look at my basement. My parents are gonna kill me for showing it like this. We're gonna paint my cabinets to my bus. I'm doing the drawers right now because they're easier to paint because I could take them out and paint them inside. But I felt like I just haven't talked to you guys. So we're starting to get some questions on the bus. I put out an Instagram story asking what you guys want to know because I always get questions about the bus. And honestly, I don't blame you guys. I kind of don't say anything ever. I got this bright green color. Nice. You guys, how green is that? I'm kind of nervous about it. But also, it's just like, it's fun. It's a bus. I'm going so like hardcore trendy and just kind of lunatic on this bus because I'm so sick. I'm not sick of seeing. I just always see these really classic timeless buses And if I'm gonna live in a bus, I'm gonna make it crazy. Like, I feel like when you have a house, you're gonna live in it for, hopefully, a really long time. So you think, I wanna make some pieces timeless. This is expensive. These are big things we're doing. The bus, everything's fairly cheap because it's so small. And if I end up really hating something, I can redo it and it's not the end of the world. Is my thought process on it, but that's not a question anybody asked. The first question is, will you be living on it full time or will you still have your apartment? This is why I don't do Q&As, because sometimes I really don't know. Do you have anywhere specific you want to travel when your bus is ready? Yes and no. Brandon and I kind of just want to go everywhere and see where we want to end up, which is such like a fun way of thinking about it. It's like our big trip all throughout the U.S. to see like where we'd want to live in a house one day. I don't know. I don't see myself staying in Michigan. We don't really like the cold. But we haven't been anywhere. Like, you go to vacation spots, but we're ready to just go through like little towns and little areas that like nobody knows of and see what it's like. And yeah, because how can you know where you want to live if you haven't been every single place ever? Is it hard to drive? Kinda, but not really. The bus, and nobody believes me when I say this, the bus is the same length as my Ford Escape. When you put them next to each other, they're the same length, and it's because the hood of the bus is so short. So like lengthwise, it's really not hard driving. The only thing is it is like 3 feet like wider than a Ford Escape. So it's basically the same size as a like lane, so you cannot swerve at all. So that part's hard, but if you guys didn't know, when we got the bus, it had a lot of issues, and I ended up driving it the first time with all the issues. So I drove it without the brakes working, and that could have been an awful disaster, but it might have been the best thing that happened to me, because I drove it the first time. I hated it. It was so hard to drive. It wasn't stopping. It wouldn't accelerate. And then we got all these like, we got it all fixed up, and then $6,000 later, it drove so smooth to me, and I was like, oh my god, this is a luxury vehicle. So it's not that bad now in comparison to the first time, but Brandon can drive it, I can drive it, and if I end up doing road trips like with my friends, I know they'd be able to drive it too. It's not that hard. How are you gonna fit all your clothes? I feel like this is such a question I get all the time. I will still have my parents' house as like major storage area, but we never plan on going somewhere cold in the bus. I think once it hits winter, we'll just drive south. We're not really gonna have a good heating system in the bus, so it's kind of like we can't go somewhere cold, and we don't really want to. I don't really like the cold. I've had enough cold in my life being in Michigan. So little summer clothes and little summer dresses honestly fit so well. Hopefully I'll be able to do like thrift hauls and more giveaway kind of things, or maybe even do like style bundles for you guys, so I can still shop and show you guys clothes without expanding my closet so much. How are you implementing security? I don't know if you guys know this, but I have a pit bull named Ernie. He's the best security in the world. He's very, very protective over me. He's never hurt anyone. I don't want you guys to think that at all. He's such like a love bug. But he barks when anybody, like when we sleep in the van, if people get too close to the van, he's always the first one to bark and let us know, and we wake up. It kind of sounds like a joke, but honestly, having a dog is really good security. When is the completed bus tour? Probably not till late spring. Hopefully, yeah, late spring. Things are starting to move a lot faster. I don't know if you guys watch Mia Maples, but she just did her van. She just did a van conversion, and it took her a year to do this van conversion, and it'll probably take us around the same amount of time. But I was so jealous watching her. I mean, obviously she's very well off from her YouTube, and she worked so hard for everything she's ever done or has gotten, but I was so envious of her just saying like, yeah, we're gonna send the bus in, they're doing all the heating, the cooling, the electrical, the water, they're insulating it, and she gets it back like a week later and it's just this perfect clean slate. You guys, when we did all that stuff, just my Hey everyone, day 3 of being on the bus. So came back to this today and I ended up doing the verticals with that tape how I showed you, and it was a lot cleaner. But now I have to do the other sides, and then this looks like it will come off pretty, yeah. We can just scrub it off the tiles. So that kind of sucks that I have to do that, but you live and you learn. It comes off really easy off the tiles because it's silicone and this is water base. Look at that. I could even just scrape it off. Oh, and there's the green. I'll get the drawers after I finish this whole section. I don't want to get any of the silicone on the drawers, obviously. See, look at that. It's not grout. It's silicone. So it's really stretchy and malleable, but the drawers are gonna be so cute. It's such a funky kitchen, for sure. Yeah, Ernie likes the bus so far though. People would say they're the lucky ones.
Yeah, that's gonna work. Just keep it flush. Shoot the nails. Probably gonna shoot through because I don't have shorter nails. I only need 3. One bottom, middle, and top. Okay.
Just ruin it and then get it back. Go back tomorrow and get it for 70% off. Ooh, am I on video?
You just said that? You're trying to scam Home Depot?
I'm kidding. You know I'm joking.
No,
about that.
she's serious. I have a playlist on my Spotify and it's just called Pop's Driving. And I play it whenever my dad's driving. And I'm going to play it right now for him. And he doesn't know I have a playlist, and he'll just say all the time. He goes, "This is a really good song." And he's going to find out now that it's really just his playlist I've been playing the whole time. I'm painting this screen too.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah.
Perfect. This will work well.
Try not to think about turning around.
Hey. So how are we working?
Oh, God.
It's gotta be diagonal. Why are we doing this?
Because it's not going to turn. There's no room for it to turn. Oh my God, I just can't even. I know. Like, help. Where's my phone? You calling Brandon?
What?
Yeah, I'm just gonna send him a picture.
Hey, we cannot get this mattress in.
What happened?
Who's ready? We decided to mock it up for you guys because I felt like this is what I always feel like. We do so much on the bus, but it takes forever to do the smallest things, so then it's not that exciting of a video. But you guys ask all the time for updates. Well, here's the update. Let me get you lowered. Ah. You guys, look at my little bus. Do you like it? Do you like it? so rough. Oh, he doesn't understand his own strength. Ah! He looks so epic cute from where I am right now. Okay, obviously, nothing is, like, actually done, really. But it's really cute right now. This seat cover, we don't have them, like, in yet, but again, I just wanted to mock it for you guys. Ernie's already looking out his window. Like, how precious is that? The bed comes up so high because it's 12 inches that, he can perfectly just look out these windows. I don't think I've ever showed you guys back here before. What we've got, it's kind of dirty. We've got this whole storage area. Very dirty. That is back here. And then I plan on putting like plants in this thing. Or just a storage. None of the wires are done. This whole back wall isn't done. But then when I come around the front, you guys, I just put plants to make it look cute. They're... Hi. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? I'm so happy. Holy guacamole. But you guys, things take so long in this bus. And I can't even imagine having like a normal size bus. How long things would take. Yeah, there's still so much to do. We're not even close to being done. We don't have any of the outlets in yet or electrical. We don't have AC. We don't have, the speedometer broke, the odometer doesn't work. We don't have the solar panels up. We're doing a roof deck that my dad has to put up, and I have to help, obviously. You guys, the list just goes on and on. I don't even like to think about it because, like, yeah. But I thought it'd be fun to set it up and see what we're looking like. Also, this does help me gauge things a little bit because sometimes, like, when we're thinking of what to do on, like, all the walls or colors and stuff like that, it's really hard for me to figure it out when I can't see stuff coming together. I'm literally doing it all blind eye, it feels like. So, like, even this green feels like so much to me right now. But I know once, you know, some of this wood is painted white and we're toned down a bit, I think I'll like it a lot more. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it gets you excited for the bus videos to come, because this is nothing close to finished, like I've said 400 times. Like, if you think this is cute, which I think it's cute, just imagine what it's going to be like when I'm actually done. It's going to be insanity. And then when I'm living in it, you guys have all those vlogs to see. I have all those memories to live. That's so freaking exciting. We don't bring any clothes or food, and we just put plants for aestheticism. I think so. Okay, but I love you guys so much. Remember to check out Fetch Rewards. Literally a perfect sponsor for today. And I'll see you guys in a few days. Hopefully more bus content to come. I love you so much. Bye. I'm really gonna get down here and put my little shoesies on.